Hey guys, how's it going? So, like the title says, these flannel shirts are pretty much cheat codes in the world of concealed carry and EDC. They're actually so good, I can conceal a slim chest rig under one with little to no issues. Especially if nobody's looking for something, they're not going to find it. And the entire premise of concealed carrying, obviously, is not letting anybody know you're carrying anything at all. So it's not just as easy as like just buying the shirt and you're good to go. I'm going to run through a few of the things that make these shirts really effective. So when you go to buy your own, you're getting what you want and it's, again, effective. So the secret to these shirts is a combination of a few different things. One being the way they fit you. So these are generally very loose, flowy shirts, and the way they hang over your shoulders kind of creates a draping effect. So it's not picking up any bumps and curves like a slim fitting shirt would. This helps with keeping anything under it discreet, and if anything is pushing out on it a little bit, it's not as exaggerated, again, like with a slimmer shirt. So the pattern is also huge. The vertical and horizontal patterns on these flannels, they help break up the lines and the bulges of anything you might have under there. So it's a little bit of a trick of the eye. That's really effective, again, at breaking up any printing or patterns coming through your shirt. It essentially is a visual distraction. These shirts are commonly worn by everybody. I mean, to be honest, they're pretty much the home team colors for anybody who carries a gun. But my point being, they blend into society. Nobody questions them. They're always in style, so they're always a good choice to wear, and you can just about wear them for every season. But the big thing is that they don't draw attention. A bonus to this shirt is I never have a problem drawing with these shirts. These flannels are usually thicker, and I think that lends a hand to the easeability of being able to rip that shirt up and grab a good handful of it. It's just always really easy when I'm drawing with it compared to t-shirts where sometimes I have a few more slip-ups. I think that's due to the t-shirts being a little thinner and tighter to the body. I sometimes have a little bit of an issue with that. I use these in combination with t-shirts, so I'll tuck in a t-shirt like you could see underneath, and I will have the gun underneath the flannel and the shirt tucked in behind the gun. Actually, let's see if I can show you here. We'll pull this up for you so you could see nice flush tucked in t-shirt with the flannel over it. And then say it gets hot outside, I can pull the flannel off and I can always do the old t-shirt down in front of the gun, and that works too. So different options there. It's very versatile, which also makes me like it a whole lot more. So these shirts are found everywhere. Target, Walmart. I've been getting mine on Amazon lately. Obviously, you go to like a tactical store like 511, they're gonna have them. I've stopped buying them from there because I've realized even the cheap ones are super durable, last a long time, and do a really good job. So I'll link a few of my favorite ones down in the description that I've been using for some good budget options, because to be honest, I don't really think there's a budget flannel, because I've had $80, $100 ones, and this one I'm wearing, I believe I got it from Walmart, and it was like 20 or 30 bucks. So to me, they're all pretty much the same. Just go try and see what you like. But again, I'll link some of my favorite down in the description so you can get a good look at those. I want to highlight one that I've been wearing a whole lot lately. It's by Wrangler. It's perfect for the winter time, which it is right now while making this video. It's like an insulated flannel with a hood on it. It's 25 bucks on Amazon, and I think you can get them at Walmart, but I just buy these off Amazon. I have 2 or 3 of them, and they're fantastic. So again, those will be linked down in the description if you want to check those out. All right, so I think that's the video, why flannels are such a cheat code. If you have any questions, put those down in the comments. And other than that, I will see you in the next video.